We just covered how to interlink different pages on your website, and that helps your SEO. But in this video, I'm going to give you an advanced way to have extra links from your site inside your site that helps your users and actually gives you an extra boost for your SEO. And we're going to use our friend, the flyer marketing page again, that same page. If you look at it, you'll see that there's these 5 links, and they serve as kind of like a table of contents for the page just because the page is so long. So for example, if I click on how to design the flyers, all that's going to happen, I'm going to click it. All that's going to happen is I'm going to go to this section of the page on the very same page. So this is called linking a page to itself. So let's actually look at the HTML and see what's going on there so that you can do this. So if you have a long page with a lot of things going on, which is going to already help your SEO, you can further leverage that by creating a table of contents for the page. And if you don't think that this is particularly aesthetically pleasing for your page, or if you have a sales page that you don't necessarily want to distract your users with links like this, because it might be distracting from the buy button if you want them to buy something. So what you can do if you have a long product description or a long post, put this on the bottom of the page, not on top like I did. But anyway, so we have this how to design flyers. So I'm going to just copy that and we're going to use that. And because I'm on the Chrome browser, I can right click and go to view source. So we'll see exactly what's going on here. And when I search, I do Control F and I find this link. You see that? I found this link, and all that's happening is at the end of the regular link. This is the regular link. At the end of it, I've got this hashtag flyer marketing 1. That's how I call my flyer marketing section 1. When I search for this, I'm going to search. You see on the top right, I have my search. I'm going to search for that. When I search for this tag, flyer marketing 1, which is right here, it's going to take me to the next place in the HTML where this is linked, and that's that H2 tag. That's the HTML for that part of the page, and all it is I'm wrapping it in this a link like this. You see, this is the HTML that kind of is connected by this tag here, which I used right here. So after right after this hashtag here. And if it's confusing for you, and this might be confusing, if you're not a developer, you can just ask your developer to create this. If you are comfortable editing HTML code, you can go right to this page. Is basically this URL right here, right before the stuff with the hashtag. And actually you can go to view source and copy my source exactly and see what I do here and play around with it. It's a little confusing at first. It is. But if you are patient with it, you'll get it. Because at the end of the day, if you understand how to create regular links, this is almost identical with just a very tiny change. And if you're confused, just copy closely to what I'm doing and then just make sure you edit the URLs for your URLs, but use my example as the guide and you'll get it right on your site. And these links from the page to itself, they really help to boost your SEO, because right away I got like 5 different links to that very page. So this is quite impactful for your ranking. And it's again something you can do on day one as you're creating your page. You don't need anybody's permission. If you're getting backlinks from other websites, they're hard to get. This you can do on day one.